Here we go. Drinks after work. How fun. Here's the preview. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, drinks after work. How fun is that? 2 for 1. How fun. So it's 32 counts, no tags, no restarts, 4 walls. Yay. And it's called Drinks After Work Mambo. So there are 3 mambos
equals 6 mambo steps, Christy.
Mambos in it. So let's start with the first 8 counts. Here we go. We're going to walk forward 2. So right, left, and then a right forward mambo, mambo step, then back left, left, right, and a left mambo back. So walk, walk, mambo, right, go, back, left, right, left, mambo. That's the first 8 counts. One more time with words and then with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, mambo step, go back. Mambo step. Okay, counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 7 and 8. It's a mambo, but a coaster works too. Drinks after work mambo. That's the first 8 counts. One more time with counts and we'll move on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Weight, our second 8. We're going to start with the right foot. So make sure you put your weight on your left foot, and we're going to do cross, rock and cross. Rock and cross to the right, to the side. Rock and cross. And then another one. We get a little symmetry here. Left foot, rock and cross. So we do 2 of those. Right and left. Then a mambo right and a mambo front right and a mambo left back. Followed with a mambo to the right and a mambo left. So that's the second 8 counts with words. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8 with the right foot. Rock and cross. Good. Rock and cross. Mambo right. Mambo back left. Yes, that's the second 8 with counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Awesome. Awesome. One more time with counts. The second 8, starting with a rock and cross. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right. Rock and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Awesome. Okay, let's put those 2 together. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, walk. Mambo, go back. And a mambo, rock and cross, rock and cross, rock and cross, and a mambo, and a mambo. Awesome. Okay, the third 8, a little bit fancier, but you can do it. So we're going to start with our right foot, and we're going to do a shuffle to the right, shuffle step. Then we're going to turn over our left shoulder, keeping our weight on our right foot, turn, and do the same thing to the left, shuffle. So it's a right shuffle, half turn over your left shoulder, left shuffle, right shuffle, and a left shuffle, and a right shuffle, and a left shuffle. So if you need to practice that a few times. Go ahead. That basically you're going to the right, 2, 3, and to the left. And then we do the same thing again, right and left. So how I remember is I put my left hand out, and that means turn to your left, turn to your left, turn. So a couple more times, let's try it with counts. 5, shuffle to the right, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 left, 3 and 4 right, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yes, we do it twice on this wall and that wall. Okay, one more time with counts. Shuffle and a turn and a shuffle and a turn and a shuffle. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right and a shuffle and a turn shuffle and a shuffle. Left shoulder. Some people even put their hand on their left shoulder to help them remember. So it's all good. Okay, let's put the first 3/8 together. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk and a mambo. Go back, back and a mambo. Cross, rock and cross, rock and cross and a mambo. And a mambo. Shuffle to the right, to the left. Go back to the right, back to the left. Awesome. First 3/8. Last one. Okay, we're facing our home wall again, and we do the last 8 counts. We do a kick ball change and a kick ball change. Right, good. So we do right and a right. Right foot's free. We do a quarter pivot turn to the left, pivot, step. So right, left, and then a stomp right and a stomp left, and we're done. Right, left. So the last 8 starts with 2 kickball changes with the right foot, a quarter pivot over the left shoulder, and a stomp stomp. So let's try it with words. Last 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. I'm sorry, with words. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, step, step. Kick, step, step. Pivot, quarter, stomp, stomp. Yes. Okay, with counts, here we go. Last 8. Fourth 8. 5, 6 with the counts. 7, 8. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time with counts. Last 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's try it. Let's put it all together. Remember, no tags, no restarts. 32 counts. Have fun. Mistakes are fine. Everybody does it. 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top. Walk, walk and a mambo. Go back, back and a mambo. Rock and cross, rock and cross. Mambo and a mambo. Shuffle to the right and the left. And again, and again. And a kick, step, step, kick, step, step. Quarter pivot and a stomp, stomp, and we walk, walk. Okay, with counts. And we'll do one more wall, and then I think you've got it. From the top, 5 with counts. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Okay, let's do this wall, the second wall. From the top, we're walking to drinks after work. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fun, huh? Drinks after work mambo. 32 counts, no tags, no restarts. Have fun, and I'll see you on the dance floor.